Okay, this is our shop. Tim Salupa, our Packard man, working on the Packard. Gonna get it running. Elevator's been redone.